Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 types of meetings that you should be having with your team. First up, we have status updates. These meetings are all about keeping each other accountable and reviewing the previous week's progress. It's important to come to these meetings prepared with updated metrics and a concise report to allow more time for discussion and problem solving. Next, we have one-on-ones. These meetings are all about performance and providing support to team members in achieving their goals and identifying areas for improvement. As a leader, your job is to coach and guide your team members to find their own answers and set them up for long-term success. Moving on, we have all-hands meetings. These meetings are all about transparency and aligning with the company's mission and strategy. It's important to keep the meeting relevant and engaging for everyone in the company. Fourth on the list, we have retrospectives. These meetings are all about feedback and allowing the team to listen to each other in safety. There are 3 parts to a retrospective: what went well, what didn't go well, and how to improve. The key to a successful retrospective is empathy, acknowledging successes and frustrations, and making improvements to leave the whole team happier. Last but not least, we have Friday wins. These meetings are all about recognition and sharing positive experiences from the week to end on a high note. The key to a successful meeting is gratitude, as it can combat negative emotions. This aligns with Naomi Williams' belief that it's impossible to be grateful and depressed simultaneously. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.